Hi everyone, this is Team One presenting short-term trends to you. As a team, we read about short-term trends. These would be trends that might be adopted in the next 1 to 2 years. So the perception of online learning has shifted in its favor for the past decade, which has made blended learning talk of the town. The benefits that blended learning provide is the reason behind many universities, colleges, and other educational institutions are improving their technological platform. Blended learning is also quite popular amongst students due to flexibility and ability to be able to complete assignments and watch video lectures at their convenience. Some of the examples of blended learning are adaptive learning, flipped classroom, and online learning modules. Blended learning, when utilized properly, enhances traditional approaches with engaging uses of social technology. The motive is to make technology user-friendly for the faculty to be able to address the varying needs of students from all backgrounds. Collaborative learning is a social construct where learning and teaching takes place in a peer-to-peer environment. What bolsters student engagement and achievement are the four main principles of collaborative learning and its benefits. As per Cornell University's Center for Teaching Excellence, effective collaborative activities can lead to higher order thinking, self-esteem, and increased leadership skills. In collaborative learning, learning takes place in cloud-based apps where users access shared information. The basic examples of cloud-based apps that are used among students today are Google Docs, Google Slides, Canvas, etc. Slack is also an app that is used in collaborative learning to foster discussions, communications, etc. The design activities that we perform as teams on Zoom is also a very good example of collaborative learning. Different people of different backgrounds are put together to share their experiences and learn from each other. The challenges in short-term trends are solvable. We identify what they are and approach them with a solution. So digital literacy is an identified challenge, which is not only about ensuring that technology is well understood in order to utilize, but also about fostering the ability to choose the right tools to strengthen learning. Digital literacy is also the ability to discern between correct and fake information on the web. Improving digital literacy among students will take institutions to first assess capabilities of current staff, identify growth areas, and develop strategies to implement digital literacy practices. Informal learning encompasses self-directed and curiosity-based learning, along with learning taking place through life experiences, which encourages students to follow their interests. Formal learning is a structured and goals objectives-based learning, usually defined by an instructor. Students can connect their informal experiences to newer experiences outside academic focus to create newer connections, which cultivates lifelong learning. A key to integrating informal and formal learning is to unify manner to support assessment and certification of knowledge and skills gained through a variety of ventures, which can validate informal learning and increase visibility of learning outcomes and adds value to these experiences. Continuing on in our reading, we read about developments that might be adopted within the next 1 to 2 years. These include adaptive learning technologies. Developing technologies that monitor students' progress using data to modify instruction at any given time is adaptive learning. It is believed to be a possible solution for the iron triangle, which is cost, access, and quality. Adaptive learning increases affordability, quality, and students' access to materials, which encourages more and more people to return to acquiring degrees. The data collected can be put into productive use by the instructors in mapping which areas the students lack skills and focus on developing them, which student needs which sort of assistance, etc. Also, adaptive learning hampers students from falling behind in the coursework and ultimately dropping the course. And it also includes mobile learning. The accessibility to the materials anywhere, anytime has helped mobile learning make it to the top charts of favorites. Along with the materials, the easiness of communication between an instructor and student has also made learning more substantial and efficient. But universities and colleges have yet to adopt mobile learning as one of their means to enhance learning. The accessibility of materials such as lecture videos, interactive course material, etc., fosters students to personalize their learning environment according to each user's pace. The flexibility afforded by the on-the-go access to lectures and learning materials helps students better integrate academic pursuits into their schedules. And finally, these are the questions that we came up from the readings.